Welcome to our complete guide on data science with R, where we cover key interview questions and answers, explore in-demand job roles, essential skills, and the latest salary trends for 2025. Whether you're starting your career or aiming to advance, this video has everything you need to succeed. Let's dive in. Now, let's get started with the interview Q&A to help you prepare effectively and boost your confidence for your next data science with R role. Welcome to the GoLogica Ultimate Guide on Data Science with R interview questions and answers. This complete video is designed to help aspiring data scientists and professionals ace their interviews by providing expert curated questions and answers tailored for mastering R programming in data science. Whether you're preparing for entry-level roles or advanced positions, this video covers a range of topics, including data manipulation, statistical modeling, machine learning techniques, and R-specific functionalities. Stay tuned as we simplify complex concepts, offer practical insights, and equip you with the confidence to excel in your data science career. Now, let's dive into some essential interview questions and answers to help you prepare effectively for data science with R-related roles.
What is data science?
Data science is a multidisciplinary method for extracting actionable insights from the giant and ever-increasing volumes of information accumulated and created with the aid of today's organizations. Data science encompasses making ready statistics for evaluation and processing, performing superior facts analysis, and imparting the outcomes to divulge patterns and allow stakeholders to draw knowledgeable conclusions.
What is R?
R is an open-source programming language that is extensively used as a statistical software program and facts evaluation tool. R commonly comes with the command line interface. R is handy throughout extensively used systems like Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. Also, the R programming language is the modern-day latest tool.
What are the applications of data science?
Data science is synthesizing various scientific methods and procedures, such as statics, regression, mathematics, computer science, algorithm, data structure, and so on. We may learn about numerous technologies such as data mining, storing, purging, archiving, and transformation with the help of data science. It is used to transform data of many forms, such as structured, unstructured, and semi-structured, to obtain information.
What is the meaning of unsupervised learning?
Clustering, density estimation, and representation learning are all examples of unsupervised learning. In unsupervised learning approaches, we can't compare model performance. It's utilized for exploratory analysis and dimension reduction.
In the R dialect, how are inconceivable and missing features addressed?
Not a number is used to describe unimaginable attributes, while NA, not available, is used to describe traits that are lacking. The best way to respond to this question is to recognize that removing missing qualities is not a good idea, because the plausible argument for missing worth could be a problem with data collection, programming, or the question itself. It's fantastic to figure out what's causing the missing attributes and then take the necessary steps to address them.
In data language, define data import.
R commander is used to import data in the R programming language. The user must type the R command in the console to launch the GUI R commander. In the R programming language, there are 3 methods for importing data. Within the dialog box, users can select the dataset set, as well as input the dataset's name. These data can be directly entered using the R commander's editor by selecting Data, New Dataset. When there isn't a great amount of data to work with, this method works flawlessly. These data can also be loaded into the system using ASCII code, a URL copied from the clipboard, or any other statistical software.
What is the definition of bucket testing in data science?
In data science, this is referred to as A/B testing. It is used in apps to compare and test 2 versions to determine the version's performance. To imagine the outcomes, A/B testing is used.
What is a recurrent neural network, RNN, and how does it work?
In the computer, a Boltzmann machine is used to tackle the opposite problem. It can reveal the challenges in the training data. It's used to help people lose weight and solve problems. By learning one layer of feature detectors at a time, this learning process grows faster.
What is the process for converting inputs to outputs?
Autoencoders with fewer mistakes are used to keep output and input as closely as possible. A deep neural network for creating input and output codings. Encoder and decoder are the 2 parts of it.
How would you describe supervised learning?
To map the labels of input and output, regression and supervised learning is utilized. The data scientist's job is to train the algorithm for the final result. It is used to teach the algorithm that has the correct answer labeled on it.
What is the set of algorithms?
Artificial neural networks include a progressive laptop, gaining knowledge of, and are stimulated with the aid of organic neural network.
What is the most effective technique to present data analysis results in R?
For reproducible research, the ideal method to achieve this is to merge the data, code, and analysis findings in a single document using knitr. Others will be able to verify the findings, add to them, and participate in conversations as a result of this. By introducing new data and applying it to a different situation, reproducible research makes it simple to replicate the trials. Explain the meaning of transpose in the R programming language. The simplest way for rearranging data before analysis is to use transpose T.
How many data structures does the R programming language support?
Homogeneous and heterogeneous data structures exist in the R language. Objects in homogeneous data structures are all of the same type: vector, matrix, and array. Data frames and lists are two types of items found in heterogeneous data structures.
What are the functions with and by used for?
The with function applies an expression to a provided dataset, while the by function applies a function to each level of factors.
Which function in the base graphics system is used to add items to a plot?
Text or box plot.
The R language has lots of applications that can be used for fixing specific problems. So how can you conclude by deciding on the first class one?
The ecosystem of the CRAN bundle has above 6,000 packages. The best way for the novices to reply to this is via bringing up what they are precisely searching for in a bundle that is accompanied via the traditional software program improvement process. The subsequent aspect that they want to search for is personal opinions, and to locate out if the records scientist or different analyst determines success in fixing a comparable sort of problem.
What are the numerous sorts of arranging calculations on hand in the R dialect?
Container sort determination, sort snappy, sort air pocket, sort consolidation sort.
What is some distance as feasible in R?
8 terabytes is as away as viable for 64-bit framework reminiscence, and 3 gigabytes is the restriction for 32-bit framework memory.
How would you make log direct fashions in the R dialect?
Utilizing the log-lm work?
How will you list all the statistics units handy in all R packages?
Using the underline of code data, package equal packages, all dot available equals true.
What is the utilization of the lattice package deal in R?
R base package deal is the bundle that is loaded via default on every occasion the R programming surroundings are loaded. R base bundle offers primary functionalities in the R surroundings, like arithmetic calculations and input-output.
What is the process to take a look at the cumulative frequency distribution of any specific variable?
The cumulative frequency distribution of a specific variable can be checked with the use of the CumSum feature in the R language.
Can you inform me if the equation given beneath is linear or not?
M-psala 1000 plus 2.5 M2. Yes, it's a linear equation as the coefficients are linear.
In R, how will you make scatterplot matrices?
A matrix of scatterplots can be produced by the usage of pairs. Pairs feature takes quite a several parameters like formula, data, subset, labels, etc. The two key parameters required to construct a scatterplot matrix are formula, a formulation like stoj A plus B plus C. Each period offers a separate variable in the pair's plots, the place the phrases need to be numerical vectors. It represents the collection of variables used in pairs. Data. It represents the dataset from which the variables have to be taken for constructing a scatterplot.
Explain the utilization of which characteristic in R language.
Which feature determines the function of factors in a logical vector that is true. In the beneath example, we are discovering the row quantity whereby the most phi of variable v1 is recorded. MyData equals data.frame v4 1236, which MyData v1 equals max MyData $v1. It returns 3 as 12 as the most price, and it is at third row in the variable x equals v1.
What is the value argument for a support vector classifier?
A phi argument is a device for specifying the value of a violation to the margin. When the price argument takes a small value, the margins for the classifier are vast and numerous help vectors lie on the margin or violate the margin. When the price argument takes a giant value, then the margins for the help vectors are narrow, and very few assist vectors are on the margin or violate the margin.
How may you verify if a given query X is a matrix fax protest?
If the ability name is matrix X returns true, then X can be named as a grid fax question.
What do you be aware of through element reusing in R?
On the off threat that two vectors with more than a few lengths play out a challenge, the elements of the shorter vector will be reused to end the activity. This is alluded to as a thing reusing. Illustration: vector A, C1204, and vector B, Na36. At that factor, the after effect of ACE B will be 312024. Here, 3 and 6 of vector B are rehashed when registering the outcome.
What takes place if the software query cannot deal with an occasion?
The event is dispatched to the delegate for preparation.
How may you troubleshoot and take a look at R programming code?
R code can be tried by making use of Headley's Check That bundle. Explore the main job roles, salaries, skills, and responsibilities of data science with R in 2025, as the demand for skilled professionals in this field continues to grow. Stay ahead of the curve by understanding the key expectations and trends shaping the future of data science careers with R. Data scientist role. Extract actionable insights from large datasets using R for data analysis, visualization, and predictive modeling. Key skills: proficiency in R programming, statistical modeling, data visualization, ggplot2, Shiny, machine learning algorithms, and SQL. Average salary 2024, $100,000 $130,000 per year, varies by location and experience. Data analyst role: perform data cleaning, exploratory data analysis, EDA, and generate business reports using R to help drive decision-making. Key skills: R programming for data manipulation, DPR, tidier, report creation, and basic statistical analysis. Knowledge of Excel, Tableau, or Power BI is a plus. Average salary 2024, $60,000 to $90,000 per year. Machine learning engineer role: build and deploy machine learning models using R for predictive analytics, recommendation systems, and classification tasks. Key skills: strong foundation in machine learning libraries, Carrot, Random Forest, XGBoost, R programming and deployment tools, Plumber APIs. Average salary 2024, $110,000 to $140,000 per year. Statistician role: apply statistical methods and models in R to analyze data and solve real-world problems in research, finance, and healthcare. Key skills: expertise in R for statistical modeling, hypothesis testing, regression analysis, and simulation. Average salary 2024, $75,000 $100,000 per year. Business intelligence BI developer role: use R to create interactive dashboards, visualizations, and BI tools to support strategic decisions. Key skills: R programming, Shiny, ggplot2, database management, and integration with BI platforms like Power BI or Tableau. Average salary 2024, $85,000 to $110,000 per year. Research scientist role: conduct advanced data analysis and research using R to publish findings in academia or develop innovative solutions in industries. Key skills: expertise in R for statistical analysis, data visualization, and algorithm development. Strong academic background is preferred. Average salary 2024, $95,000 $120,000 per year. Data engineer role: focus on building scalable data pipelines and integrating R workflows with larger data systems. Key skills: R for data manipulation and cleaning, knowledge of databases, and programming in Python or Java for integration. Average salary 2024, $100,000 $125,000 per year. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided valuable insights into the job roles, salaries, skills, and interview questions related to data science with R. At GoLogica, we're committed to helping you build the skills necessary to excel in the ever-evolving data science field. Whether you're looking to enhance your knowledge or kickstart your career, our comprehensive training programs are designed to guide you every step of the way. If you're looking for more interview Q&A, please let us know in the comments with your specific needs or questions. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert career advice and industry insights.